Assalamu alaikum students. Today we'll begin the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Formulae. In this chapter, first of all, we are going to discuss the definition of algebraic expressions. What are algebraic expressions? This is the combination of the terms. What are terms? Term is a product of a number and a variable. So here we can say this is a combination. Algebraic expressions are the combination of numbers, variables which are connected by the signs, that is operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are called algebraic expressions. Example is given to you here. You can see the first term and the second term, that is 2x cube and 3y raised to the power minus 4, both are connected with negative sign. And the second term and the third term both are connected with positive sign. What is the third term? Third term is only 5. So first term is 2x cube, the second term is 3y4 and the third term is 5. This is a three-termed expression. Now we are going to discuss some of the terminologies related to algebraic expressions. Example is given over here, 2x cube minus 3y4 plus 5. In this expression, this 2 is known as coefficient, that is, the number which is written with the variable is known as coefficient. X is known as variable and 3 is the exponent. There is one more variable which you can see over here, that is y. And what is its coefficient? Its coefficient is 3. Here 4 is again exponent which is written and it is read as 3y raised to the power 4. Here these terms, this is also a three-termed expression. The terms are connected with plus and minus sign which are known as operations. The number which is written at the end, it is 5 and there is no variable written with it. We call it a constant. There are some different types of algebraic expressions. The first one is known as polynomials. What are polynomials? Polynomials are those algebraic expressions in which the exponent of a variable is a positive number or 0. That is, we can call them that exponent of the variable is a whole number. Some examples are given over here. The first one, 2x plus y. This is a polynomial. We can see the power of the variable in both the cases x and y is 1, which is included in whole numbers. Let's come to the second example, 3x square. Here the power of the variable is 2. Come to the third example, 5, which is just a number. There is no variable written with it, but if I write any variable over here, then its power will be 0. So all these three polynomials are having the variables are having the exponent as whole number. The second type of algebraic expression is known as rational expressions. These are the algebraic expressions in which exponent of the variable is an integer. Integer means positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Let's see the example. 5x square. In this case, the power of the variable is 2. The second one is the second term, 2x upon y. Power of the variable x is 1 and y, if I write it in the numerator, it will become y raised to the power minus 1. So here in this term, we can say that power of the variable is, in the numerator it is a positive number, in the denominator it is a negative number. In the last term, which is 3, is written all alone. So here the power of the variable, we can consider it as 0. The third type of algebraic expressions is known as irrational expression. These are the expressions in which exponent of the variable is a rational number. You can see here in the example, under root x plus 1. So the power of x is half over here. That is, if radical sign is present in any expression, it means it is an irrational expression. So this is the example of it. There are some different types of polynomials. We are going to discuss here all the 3 types: monomials, binomials and trinomials. What are monomials? Monomial is a single termed expression. Single term means here you can see 6xy square example. Term means the product of a number and the variable. It is known as a term over here. Here it is not connected by any positive or negative sign, so this is a single term. It will be considered as one termed expression or monomial. Let's come to binomials. Binomials means any expression containing 2 unlike terms. The main thing is unlike. The example is 4x square y, which is connected with 5xy with plus sign. In between, plus sign is there. So 2 terms are here and this expression is known as a binomial. Let's come to trinomials. Example is given to you here. An expression containing 3 unlike terms. That is 4xy cube plus 9xy minus 8xy square. So 3 terms are given here connected with plus and minus signs. This is known as trinomial. Thank you.